Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our third video in our crochet series. In past two videos, I have explained about what are the tools required to start with crocheting, and we have also learned how to make a slip knot. Today we are going to learn how to make a basic chain with crocheting, which is very important to start with any project. Now let's start with our tutorial. As I told you in our second video, anything starts with a slip knot. See, I explained you two types of slip knot. I will link the video in my description. You can go and check out those two types of slip knots. See, now I am making a slip knot. I'm just putting my hook in the and I just pull this working yarn, and this is my ending of the yarn. Okay, now what we have to do is we just have you can hold any way, either this way or like however you are comfortable. So it's depends on you how you feel more comfortable in holding the yarn. Okay, everything is fine when you are comfortable. How you are holding, that is absolutely fine. See now how I am doing, I'll show you. You just have to do yarn over. Okay, what I'm doing yarn over on my hook. See, the hook is facing towards me. This is facing towards upside, and I am yarning over the hook. I am doing yarn over on the hook. Okay, just this is called yarn over. Okay, now I am just turning the hook so that it will hold the yarn, and I can pull from the loop easily. See how I pull. Now again I am showing you. I'll just yarn over and I'll just turn my hook towards downside, and then I'll pull. Okay, that's how it is. Now again we'll do that. See, however you are comfortable, you can hold the yarn, it's up to you. And again it's very simple. I am yarning over and then pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull. That's how simple it is. Yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull. This is how we do the base chain. Like for any project, we will start with this chain, like any number it is, like depending upon the project, this chain length will be decided. See, I will show you with this yarn as well, so that you will understand more the better way. So I'll do slip knot. It's very simple. Now I did slip knot. See the way I am holding, it's very comfortable for me. There is no rule of holding yarn, so however you are comfortable you can hold. Anyways, I am telling it again. See, yarn over, turn back, yarn over, turn back, pull. Okay, yarn over, back, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull. See, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull. Yarn overing is nothing but same. This is yarn over. Okay, pull. See, now you can see very clearly. This is how the chain look like. See, 1, 2. So this is one chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, one V you can see, right? This V is one chain. 1, 2, 3. That is how you will count. Otherwise while I suggest you to count while doing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, that way. So this is how you have to do a base chain, which is very important to start with any project. So give it a try. It is very easy. Just you have to do yarn over and turn backside and just pull from the loop. That's it. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you are watching our videos in our channel for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for all the notifications. If you want to learn any other art forms like resin art and fluid art, there are several tutorials in our channel which I made previously. So you can go in my channel and click on video section, so you will find a lot more videos about resin and fluid arts. We'll meet again with the next video and learn more about crocheting.